you remember that time that we made slow cooker Salsa Verde tacos? Yeah, that recipe. Well, my friend, we're using that same tender, smoky chicken into today's skillet recipe. Now, if you didn't get a chance to make the Salsa Verde tacos, you could use shredded rotisserie chicken meat and toss it with about half a cup of Salsa Verde. You can make your own or buy your favorite at the store. Salsa Verde is made with tomatillos, which are a green variety of sweet tomatoes. To start, I'm gonna just heat my skillet over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna add some chicken broth, Salsa Verde, half and half, uncooked pasta. You can use any variety of pasta, and then salt and a little pepper. Let's give this a quick stir and bring it to a boil. When it begins to boil, we're gonna cover it, reduce the heat to low, and allow it to simmer for 15 minutes. You guys, this already smells amazing. So once the pasta is cooked and the sauce is thickened and almost gone, we're just gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna add this reserved Salsa Verde chicken. Guys, this is the chicken I was telling you about that my slow cooker made. Check out how awesome it pulled together. But again, if you don't have it, do not worry. You can use rotisserie chicken. Now, we're also gonna add to this most of this pepper jack cheese, and we're gonna reserve some for later. You're gonna stir this until it's completely melted and the sauce is now really creamy. The final step is to top it with the remaining cheese, and then we're gonna cover it for about a minute just to melt it. Oh, so cheesy and fast. Now, if you have some cilantro around, now would be a great time to just add some right over the top. Let's serve some and check it out. This pasta is the bomb. The chicken is so tender and it's coated with all that melted pepper jack cheese and the smoky Salsa Verde. Once you try it, you'll wonder, why have I not made this before? So get cooking with the recipe link right below this video because you're gonna love this simple dinner in 20 minutes flat. And click that red subscribe button because a new fun and easy recipe video comes out every single week. See you next time.